Welcome! Blender Basics in 60 Seconds Part 1. Navigation made easy in Blender. Use the middle mouse button to rotate your view. Hold Shift plus MMB to pan around. Scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Press numpad 1 for front view, 3 for side view, and 7 for top view. Press numpad 0 for camera view. Use numpad 5 to toggle between perspective and orthographic view. Press numpad 8 to move the view upward and numpad 2 to move it downward smoothly. That's it. Quick Blender navigation in 60 seconds. Don't forget to subscribe to Blender Money Studio for more quick Blender tips. Welcome! Let's learn Object Mode Basics in Blender. Press A to select or deselect all objects. Press B for box select. Select an object and press G to grab or move it. Use X, Y, or Z to lock movement to an axis. Press R to rotate, and again, use X, Y, or Z to lock rotation to a specific axis. Press S to scale your object, and use X, Y, or Z to lock scaling along that axis. That's it. Quick Object Mode Basics in Blender. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Blender Money Studio for more quick Blender tips. Part 3. Edit Mode Basics. Let's get started. First, press Shift plus A and add a cube. Now press Tab to switch from Object Mode to Edit Mode. Press 1 for Vertex, 2 for Edge, and 3 for Face Selection. Let's start with Vertex Mode. Press G to move a vertex, and press E to extrude it. Now press 2 for Edge Selection. You can move edges with G and extrude them with E. Same thing with Face Selection. Press 3, select a face, press G to move, and E to extrude. Now here's a powerful combo. Select a face, press E to extrude, right-click, then press I to inset, press Ctrl plus R for loop cut, and scroll your mouse to add more cuts. Press K for the knife tool, and press K plus C to cut through the entire object. Select 2 edges and press F to create a face. And finally, hold Alt plus click to select a full edge loop. You just learned Edit Mode Basics. Follow for more Blender tips. Blender Basics in 60 Seconds, Part 4. Common editing shortcuts, let's go. First, press Shift plus A and add a cube. Now press Shift plus D to duplicate it. Hold Shift and click both objects, then press Ctrl plus J to join them into one. Made a mistake? No problem. Press Ctrl plus Z to undo and Ctrl plus Shift plus Z to redo. Now try Alt plus D. This creates a linked duplicate, so changes affect both objects. Press Ctrl plus A to apply scale, rotation, or location. Super important for clean work. And finally, press X to delete any object. Boom! You just learned essential editing shortcuts. Follow for more Blender tips. Welcome! Today we're learning snapping and precision in Blender. Press Shift plus Tab to toggle snapping. Press G to move your object and hold Ctrl for temporary snapping. Press the period key to open the pivot point menu. You can also choose it from the top bar. Then press the comma key to change the transform orientation or select it manually. That's it. Quick and precise control in Blender. Like and subscribe to Blender Money Studio for more quick tips.